Which part? Doors should be closed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is part of boarding called American Airlines and the plane. Push back and hold the strap to the time. Behind you, exit, jump to the slide and move right the airplane. In the wrong direction, all it says the doors behind the door slides and leave the location. The airplane jump to slide and move right the airplane. In the wrong direction, all it says the location. And then you'll be leaving behind you. And then that exit. Leave exit. And behind you. The exit. Leave a belongings. This is the closest to the exit. The drop header compartment. You can see to max down the start velocity. Please mask over the nose and mouth and tighten. Hold the stretch behind it normally. The flight is soon. Ostrich explode from back does in place. In a Bronco version, you can see the location. Hold out to move with caution and take it to the closest. You can see culture. You can see culture notation. Hold out to move with caution and take it to the closest to the exit. And exiting the airplane. Place your arms to the straps and then culture you can see location. Hold out to move with caution and take it to the closest. You can see concentration. Hold out to move with caution and take it to the closest to the exit. When they exit the airplane, place your arms to the straps. See the caution location. Hold on to move with caution. You can see caution location. Hold on to move with caution and take it to the closest to the exit. When they exit the airplane, you can see location. Hold on to move with caution and take it to the closest to the exit. When they exit the airplane, place your arms. When they exit the airplane, place your arms to the straps and then caution to the chest. And then flight for takeoff. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy your flight. Please about landing soon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final boarding call and we landed soon. Please departing with the airplane and the RJ-75 American Eagle. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a landing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is landing soon. We departing and calling. The American Eagle is just had to the airplane and have me the RJ-75. Later, we'll be landing out the soon. Thank you for flying us with American Eagle. You're coming out off the airplane. Thank you for flying us to go to exit. Okay, alright, thank you for flying. Later.